Can you believe it? The charcoal we usually use for barbecue is actually made of coconut shells. Coconut shell charcoal has the advantages of being smokeless and easy to burn. Therefore, it is very popular among people. Workers pour the coconut shells into the incinerator. This incinerator is built underground. Underground helps to isolate the air, reduces the concentration of oxygen. To make it burn slowly, workers seal the hole with bricks and dirt. The next step is to start the fire. Workers ignite the soft wax, then they throw them into the pile of coconut shells. The burning process will last about 20 to 24 hours. Workers dig out the burnt coconut shells, exposed to the hot sun. The water in the charcoal is steamed dry. The charcoal becomes like a potato chip and breaks easily. Workers pull the charcoal back to the factory for further processing. They first put the charcoal into a grinder. The charcoal is ground into powder. This is a very dirty job, so the operators need to wear masks and gloves to protect their bodies. Then the charcoal is poured into a blender. Then they add a little bit of starch made from cassava root. Finally, a bucket of water is poured in. The mixer is started. The mixture gradually sticks together, just like kneading dough. The supervisor checks it carefully. When he finds that the consistency is right, he will stop mixing. The mixture is transferred to the next station. Another worker pours the mixture into the forming machine. The inside of the machine is very special. It can press the charcoal into a six-sided shape, and there is a hole in the middle. This hole is mainly used for ventilation. Solid charcoal burns more easily. The worker will press the charcoal into shape, cut into certain lengths, then put it on the shelf. The charcoal is very soft at this point. The charcoal will break when it is gently squeezed. Therefore, further processing is needed. The worker puts the charcoal into the oven. Then the fire is closed. The charcoal is baked for about 24 hours. The moisture will dry out completely. The high temperature causes the charcoal particles to fuse together. At the end of baking, after baking, it becomes very hard, and the surface is very clean, unlike traditional charcoal that turns black when you wipe your hands. Once the charcoal is finished, it is ready to be packaged and sold.